want to drive the car, buddy? How do you drive it? How do you drive the car? You better try it. How do you make it go? Can you steer it? Where's the steering wheel? Whoa. How do you keep it smelling so good? It smells new. Oh, yeah, I think so.
Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. You guys, so I've been wanting to do this video for you because I've been having so many people ask about the new hair removal cream from Farmasi, okay? So I have heard really good things and I've heard that it works. I've seen pictures, so now I want to try it for myself because I've been growing my hair out. Let's just be real, I've just been lazy and I haven't shaved, so so my legs are fuzzy, y'all. Like literally, I'll have Joe get a close-up of those babies. Yeah. So I'm super excited. Well, without further ado, let's give this thing a try. I'm not like super hairy. Like I feel like the back of my legs don't really have all that much hair back here, but it's just like the front. Like look at how long this is. I am like embarrassed to tell you how long it's been since I've shaved my legs. Whoops. I've just been too busy. I have too much to do to shave my legs. I gotta hurry and do quick showers. Yeah, Asher Dean's with us and he's stomping his feet, so that's what you hear in the background. So, you know, say hi. So directions for use. Let's see, smooth skin in 3 steps. 1, spread the cream directly on the skin with the round part of the spatula to cover all the hairs. Let's try that. All right, here we go, y'all. I don't really know what I'm doing, but we're gonna give this a try. I'm putting it on the spatula like this. First time ever using this, so I don't know if I'm doing it right. On these hairy legs. I'm gonna get just a little more here. There we go. We're gonna try one section because I want to see what this does. From there, it says, leave the cream on your skin for 3 to 6 minutes and then wipe a small area with the spatula to test it. Got my timer here for 6 minutes, okay? And then after, let's use the wide or narrow part of the spatula to remove the remaining part of the cream. Depending on the body area of which the application is made, yeah, that was the end of the sentence, sorry. Okay, y'all, so we got 20 seconds left. I set my timer for 6 minutes. I will say, like, it doesn't burn. It just feels like a creamy lotion that I put on there. There's no, like, feeling of burning or anything like that. I know some people have been concerned with that as far as, like, because they've used Nair or something like that. I don't feel any burning or anything like that, me personally. Okay, so it says just to do it on a small area. So we'll try right up here. It took some, but not all. It's not ready. Okay, a little bit longer. I reapplied in the area that I took off a little bit already. It is taking some off, but I feel like my hair is being pretty stubborn. So there is actually hair coming off in the cream. Oh, there we go. I must not have got those sections. Okay, it's coming off. Yeah. Oh, what? It's also taking some of my self-tanner off.
It does smell like burnt hair.
Doesn't it? It smells like burnt hair. Is that what it does? Like, you guys, I don't normally use these creams. It legit smells like burnt hair. Weird. So I'm pressing pretty firmly. Look at that. That's my self-tanner, you guys. Ew. I look really dirty. Oh, ew. Look at all the hair. Ew.
Hey, at least it works.
It does work. What do you got? Oh, you want to show him that? That's his favorite, y'all.
Show the camera.
Show them what it is. Turn it around so they can see the label. That's the baby oil. Say it's the baby oil. I got it on my legs. Finished the rest here. Like I said, I don't really have that much hair on the back of my legs, so I really just did the front. P.S. You guys, these Adidas slides are like the most comfortable thing I've ever worn in my life. Amazon, thank you. I don't think I've taken them off since I got them. But yeah, okay, here we go. So we're going to wait, and then we'll, you know, wipe it off again. But yeah, I tried to leave that space where I did it before. You can see the hair is off of there. Pretty cool. It still definitely smells like burnt hair. It doesn't, the actual cream does not smell like burnt hair. It's just when you put it on. So apparently that's what it's doing, is burning the hair off. Look at that ring light. And there's the giveaway ring light right there. All boxed up. And that's mine. It's amazing. I love it. I love it. Okay, everyone. I got the cream. Like, I got it wiped off with the spatula here. I already showed you guys how that's done, so I wasn't going to show you that. That's kind of boring. But so it does work. It does work. But what I will say, little user-friendly tip, in this area here, I went a little bit skimpy on the product, and I put it on a little bit lighter through there, and I feel like it didn't take it off as well, so there's still little like stubbly areas right there. So that would be one little user tip that I would say, is definitely make sure you apply a good layer. Don't have it be like so thin you can see through it. You don't want to be able to see through the product. You want a good layer on there. So that would be my suggestion, but it did take it off. Sorry, the lighting's like terrible. You're getting like shadows and everything. But yeah, now I need to go put lotion on my legs because they are dry, y'all. Okay, you guys. So, like I said, my user tip there, put a good layer of it on there, because the areas that I put on that were like kind of skimpy, that's where it didn't take it off very well, okay? I did leave it on longer than 6 minutes. I did more like 8 to 10 minutes. And again, put it on so that you can't see through it, because those are like the areas that didn't come off very well, were the areas that I put it on like really, really thin. So honestly, like I'm in a hurry all the time. So this is probably not a product that I would personally use on my legs, like on a daily, weekly basis. I would probably use this more in like areas where, ladies, where you get some razor burn, like, you know, where you just don't want to shave all the time. So I would say like underarms, bikini area, like yes, 10 out of 10. Legs, I'm probably still going to use my razor. So that is my review on this. So thanks for tuning in, you guys. And don't forget, before you leave, hit that subscribe button and have a wonderful, wonderful day, you guys. I'll catch you next time.